hope everyone's well, having a fantastic day today. So today I am cooking some free range eggs and some butter. I'm going to make scrambled eggs. Had a couple of wisdom teeth out yesterday, so I can't actually eat anything hard at the moment. So it's a toss up between pasta, soup, and scrambled eggs. And scrambled eggs is supposed to be the best one for you, so that's what I'm going to cook. So I don't know how this is going to turn out. I've not cooked scrambled eggs before, apart from in the microwave. But so just a knob of butter in there to get it going. It's supposed to be on a low heat, I think. So I'm going to put 4 eggs in it. Put them in a bowl. That looks like a face. There's 4 eggs in there. Put butter around a bit. Turn it down a bit. Mix them up a little bit. And add a bit of salt to it. And all I've got to do is tip it in the pan. Hopefully you can see. So that's nearly there. Turn the heat off. Right, there we go. So hopefully, as the days go on, I'll be able to get back on the meat, I think, and see how we go from there. Let's have a taste of these. Tastes like egg. Bit swollen. So not supposed to eat anything too hot because it can damage the blood clot that's in the tooth. Enjoy your day, people. Bye bye.